Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant.
Daily news and updates for 13th December 2024. Australia-based Macquarie Asset Management or MAM, the world's largest infrastructure asset manager, is seeking to sell its largest Indian road portfolio of 9 national highway stretches at a combined valuation of around $2 billion. MAM will begin the sale process by early next year and plans to appoint a banker by the end of this month. It had acquired the rights to manage the 648-kilometer long national highways in Andhra Pradesh and Gujarat from the National Highway Authority of India in 2018. The firm acquired the road assets for Rs 9,681 crore, which is 1.5 times higher than the base price set by National Highway Authorities of India in the first toll operate transfer auction held in 2018. German shipbuilding giant ThyssenKrupp Marine Systems or TKMS proposes a joint submarine and warship building hub in India with Masgaon Dockyards Limited or MDL. This venture aims to reduce production costs by up to 50% and tap into the growing global demand for naval assets, potentially serving markets in Southeast Asia and South America. RBI has expressed concerns over fintech companies' aggressive lending practices, particularly to first-time buyers of used vehicles. These practices, including excessive top-up loans, are increasing borrower vulnerability and impacting lender balance sheets. The regulator has warned against high loan-to-value ratios and has taken action against some lenders for non-compliance. IRDAI, the insurance regulator, is considering regulations to curb insurers' reliance on parent banks for bancassurance sales, often exceeding 90%. This follows concerns over mis-selling and aims to promote diversification through agency and digital channels, fostering a level playing field within the industry. The regulator encourages insurers to explore open architecture distribution models. Earlier, SEBI had introduced the beta version of the T+0 rolling settlement cycle on an optional basis in addition to the existing T+1 settlement cycle in equity cash markets for a limited set of 25 scrips. Now, to increase the efficiency of the optional T+0 settlement cycle, SEBI has decided to increase the number of eligible scrips for trading under the optional T+0 settlement cycle to the top 500 scrips in terms of market capitalization as on 31st December 2024. SEBI has revised guidelines for capacity planning and real-time performance monitoring framework of market infrastructure institutions or MIIs. Under the revised guidelines, MIIs have been directed to develop future-ready frameworks to estimate capacity needs based on trends, historical data, transaction growth, and business changes. Further, all MIIs must ensure adequate system capacity in place to handle high volumes to ensure a high level of service availability.
This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.